I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'm going to speak a little bit about the changes in 2011 to the DUI laws here in Arizona. And one of the biggest changes that occurred is that now people have actually more access to work release and school release than they had previously. Before it was 5 days, and so typically on Saturday and Sunday people couldn't get out. And a lot of people work 6 days a week. A lot of people need to be able to study and go to the library if they're in school. And so having that 6th day now really does change things. So instead of 5 days, it's now 6 days. And instead of a may order work release or school release, the court shall order it. And this really changes the dynamic of sentencing with DUIs in Arizona. And we've noticed that since this law has come into effect, just more and more people are having fewer problems with maintaining employment and obviously doing well in school. They've got one more day now to be on the outside. So the way it works is this, is that if you are sentenced to a regular DUI, not an extreme DUI, but a regular misdemeanor DUI, you still have to do 24 consecutive hours in the jail. So if you were booked and released within a couple of hours, that's not going to be enough. You still have to do 24 hours, and then you're released 6 days a week. You have to do the 7th day, 24 hours consecutive. And then for the release period, you're looking at 12 hours, and you can pick the 12 hours. It could be at night, it could be during the day. As long as it's 7 to 7, 6 to 6, it doesn't really matter. You get 12 hours to be released, and then you have to report back to the jail. This is not home detention that I'm talking about. This is for work release or school release. And so if you have a sentence, let's say of 10 days, 15 days, something like that, and you're looking at, well, how am I going to maintain employment? Now it's 6 days a week that you can be released, but you have to go back to the jail. In other segments, we'll talk about how home detention works, and that's a little bit different. But know now the law actually has changed now, and it changed several months ago, back in July, where if you are convicted of a regular DUI or an extreme DUI, you are eligible for 6 days to be released out of the week, 12 hours a day.